Time. You are welcome to my YouTube channel, Better Time TV. Alongside, I'm here with my people in Facebook. We want to do closure for Ghana with you. Okay, guys. This is 27 and color 30. We want to mix it together. Alright? Stay tuned. Stay tuned. I want to cut the attachment Ito 2. Okay? Ito 2. Ito 2. I already have this one Ito 2 because I have app for this. I need to use the app first before I will open new one. Alright? So, yeah. So I want to cut it. All right. Guys, this is how far we have gone. Good evening. How you all doing? It's evening, yeah. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. My lovely people, how you all doing, guys? I know say this way I don't start out since I did do this one. So we already start to win because I'm lost side with Facebook. So I want to do it direct in Facebook now. So I want to do short video before I go to Facebook. Alright, guys. It's very long and closure. I don't want to sew, so this one is very hard. before you come and do the closure. It's taking a long time, but this one is look like natural. I want you guys to see it. Guys, the front is Ghana weaving. The rest, the back is Bob Marley. Okay, see you when I finish. Bye. Hello guys, greetings, 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 greetings. How you all doing, my lovely people? You are welcome to my YouTube channel. This is it, guys. Amazing. So let's see how it is in my head. Okay, guys, this is it, my lovely. It's very long and very full. Oh my god, it's very long and very full. Look at it. This is it, my lovely. Okay guys, I love you. Stay blessed. Please don't forget to share Facebook. My Facebook page is Better Time. My Facebook name is Gladys Rita James. I love you. TikTok Better Time TV. I love you guys. Bye bye.